Best friends forever. Yay!
And the best part of this plan is, no one can stop me.
My boy, you want me to stop and get you something from the store? Hey, you good? Mojo, you want some food? You hungry?
You cannot control me. You cannot. Okay. You can have a little control, but I'm still in charge. I can attack any minute, but you.
Are you sure this water's sanitary? It looks questionable to me.
That's my puppy dog. This is my puppy dog. He's a cute puppy dog, and I love that puppy dog.
I love you.
I love you.
I trust you. I love you. And I love you. Okay.
Gigi! Stop! The most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life is watermelon.
Oh wow! I'm so beautiful.